Okay, welcome to all. Now I am going to give a training about what is meant by opacity. So here there is a two images. We mainly use opacity for mixing these type of things very nicely. So this is a beach and birds are flying. There is a sunset is on. Here the lady is only in the beach, but I want more realistic photo. So what I'll do, and this is an opacity. What we'll do, we just reduce opacity. Now you can feel better. This is a real photo, but only one thing is this the background that of the image is coming. We can do one thing. I'm not perfectly selecting. You can when we are doing, you can select perfectly. I'm just clicking, and backspace I am doing, and little bit inside that selection is come. Okay, leave it. We can. I'll only show how effective now. Now this selection is there. What I am going to do here, I'm going to coming here and just deleting that area. So I'm not perfectly deleted. So now I'm doing select, deselect. I'm not doing all the shortcuts every time, but shortcuts you learn always. You will learn whenever you do that. So now you see that what is the difference. So she's standing in front of the this one. It is look like that is a way you can do more realistic update. Okay, now I am going to give a training and discussion about what is meant by fill and opacity. Okay, so today I have created two layers. One is for fill and one is opacity. Okay, so this one is fill and this one is opacity. So opacity and fill work same. So I'll show you the difference. So this layer, I'm coming here and doing the opacity. Opacity means a transparency. Now it is zero. So then I'm coming, nothing is not visible. And what is mean by fill? So I'm coming another one. I'm doing opacity here. This completely go. But fill also I'm giving here. I'm giving the fill. But you can see something. Nothing is not going there. It will be there in that. So what is mean by opacity? And opacity will affect entire layer and whatever things are there in our. But fill means only affect the fill area. See, other things are effects. These are the effects created in layer effects. So how can you create a layer effect? Is just layer style. There is a effect is coming. I'll take about this. These are the effects. These are applied to this. This is not applied here. When I said fill, reduce the fill as zero, that will affect mainly on the fill area, not in the border areas. Means outside the fill, what are the objects? What are the most of the layer styles are applying outside the fill area. Some of the layer styles will apply the inside area also. Now you clearly understood what is my opacity and fill. Opacity and fill will work same, but only one difference. Opacity will work entire image if it is any effects or anything is there, but fill will be applied only on fill area. Here also fill is there, drop shadow is there, but nothing affect for the drop shadow. But if you select opacity, but everything is transparent. So you can change the layer transparency. That way you can mix easily multiple images and you will get a better effects. So I think that I'll you can use and multiple images what I done the previous exercises. The same exercise you can do that. You can easily create multiple designs through the opacity. Thank you for watching.